Next topic is percentage. Now we'll be discussing these 5 problems on percentage. The first problem is a batsman scored 110 runs which included 3 boundaries and 8 sixes. Okay. What percentage of his total score did he make by running between the wickets? So he has scored total 110 runs. Now out of these 110 runs, he has scored 3 boundaries and 8 sixes. So apart from these 3 boundaries and 8 sixes, the remaining runs will be the runs which he has scored by running between the wickets. So we have to find how many runs he has scored by running between the wickets, and then we have to find percentage of those runs which he has scored by running between the wickets. Okay. So the solution of first one. The total runs he has scored are 110. Okay. Out of this 110, he has scored 3 boundaries and 8 sixes. Right. Now we have to find how many runs he has scored by running between the wickets. So from 110, okay, so we need to find runs he has scored by running between wickets. Okay. So it is going to be total score minus 3 boundaries and 8 sixes. So 3 into 4 plus 8 into 6. So from 110 we have to subtract 12 plus 48, which is 110 minus 60. So how many runs he had scored by running between the wickets? He had scored 50 runs by running between the wickets, and remaining 60 are by 3 boundaries and 8 sixes. Now we know that the runs which he had scored by running between the wickets, but we have to find percentage of this score. So percentage of runs which he had scored by running between wickets. So how many runs he had scored by running between the wickets? It's 50, and total score is 110. So out of 110, 50 are the runs which he had scored by running between the wickets, and we have to find the percentage, so multiply it by 100. Okay. Now we just have to cancel this. Let me cancel this. So 50 by 11 is, okay, so 4s are 44, remaining is 6. So 5, 55, right? This will be 4.5, 55, so remaining 5, again 4, and it will go on. So multiply by 10. What is our percentage? It's 45.4%. So 45.4% out of the total runs he had scored by running between the wickets. Now second question. 2 students appeared at an examination. One of them secured 9 marks more than the other. So one of them secured 9 marks more than the other, and his marks was 56% of the sum of their marks, and his marks were 56% sum of their marks. We have to find marks of both the students. Okay, solution of second question. So let me assume that marks of one student, okay, let me take this as first student, is X. If marks of one student is X, what will be the marks of second student? It is 9 marks more than the previous one. So this is going to be x plus 9. What else is given? That his marks was 56% of the sum of their marks. So this person's marks, this student's marks is 56% of both of their marks. Okay. So x plus 9, this marks of second student, let me write here, marks of second student is equals to 56% of sum of their marks, sum of both of their marks. Okay. So what are the marks of second students? Marks of second students are x plus 9, which is equals to 56%. So how do we write percent? It is 56 by 100. Okay. And this is 56% sum of the both of their marks. And what is the sum? Is x plus 9. Marks of first student plus marks of second student. Now we just have to simplify this. This will be 56 by 100 and we can write this as 2x plus 9. Now just cross multiply this. So this is going to be 100 x plus 9, which is equals to 56 times 2x plus 9. Multiply this, 100x plus 9 into 100, 900, which is equals to 56 into 2, 112. X plus 56 into 9, 504. Okay. Now take variables one side, constant one side. So we have 900 here. I am keeping this as it is. Taking this 504 this side. Here we have 112x 100. So minus 100x. 900 minus 504. Okay. So this is 396, which is equals to 112 minus 100. So 12x. What is the value of x? It is 396 by 12. So 3s are 36, 3s are 36. So value of x in this case is 36. So marks of first student is 36. Marks of first student is 36. So what will be the marks of second student? Marks of second student is x plus 9. This is going to be 36 plus 9, which is equals to 45. The marks of students are, first student is 36 and second student is 45.